Changing the language in the Apple Music app can enhance your user experience by allowing you to navigate the app in your preferred language. Follow these steps to make the change. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your device. This is where you can adjust various system preferences, including language settings. Step 2. Tap on General. Scroll down and select the General option. This section contains settings related to your device's overall functionality. Step 3. Select Language and Region. In the General menu, find and tap on Language and Region. Here, you can manage the language settings for your device. Step 4. Change Language. Tap on iPhone language or iPad language depending on your device. Choose your desired language from the list that appears, then confirm your selection. Step 5. Restart Apple Music. After changing the language, close the Apple Music app and reopen it. The app should now display content in the new language you selected. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Apple Music app to suit your preferences. Enjoy your music experience in the language you are most comfortable with.